Hariom, I am very small and wonderful bird or insect. Guess who I am? I am a little honeybee. I wisp and buzz. I am yellow and black in color. I have 6 legs, 2 wings and 2 antennae. I collect nectar from flowers and produce honey. I always live in large crops called hives. Friends, you know, my honey is very sweet, and nowadays my honey is used as a medicine in many diseases like cough and cold. Friends, you know I am dangerous too. How I am dangerous? When someone tries to hurt me, I bite them back and cause a wound. So friends, please save me. Do not harm me. Save the bees. They help keep the world sweet. If you will save the bees, they will give you the honey as in return. Thank you, Hariom.